everybody? It's Friday, October, what's the date? The 13th. It's Friday the 13th. Ay, caramba. I got something that I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to hear those beautiful sounds all night tonight because I got this. I got a keg, and I'm all alone. It's going to be a long, hard night to try to get this finished, but I got to try to do this keg. I don't usually do these ones, so they say you got to just snap this thing onto the top, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. It's weird. Thought I'd do it live. That way, if it doesn't work, oh well. Okay, here we go. I don't know. See what happens here. Oh, it almost snapped in. What happened? Uh-oh. So let's try that again. Oh, I heard a snap. I guess that's a good sign. I love that sound. I don't know. Okay, now, I know it's early, but I need to start drinking because this is going to take a while, right? So, I got to see if I can pour it. Let's see if I can somehow set this camera. That looks pretty good. Let's see if we can pour this. See if it works. Whoa. I haven't had that much head in a while. What? Whoops. That's not what I meant to say. A little bit of head at first, right? Look at that. Oh, I'm making a mess of my table. But anyway, that's the first one. I'll let it settle a little bit until it gets up there. And then I guess once this thing starts, it's pretty cold. I guess I'm going to keep it in the fridge. Actually, I'm keeping it in my freezer because it doesn't quite freeze. But, let me see. Heineken. All right. We're on the road. So, we're going to have a little bit of a party tonight, obviously. Wow. I don't know if I can finish this. How many beers does it say? I think it says something like 20 beers or something. No. Yeah, 20 glasses of beer. I guess it depends how big the glass is, right? Anyway, well, I'll be back. I'm going to let this thing settle because I'm not used to head anymore. What?